Philips 2-in-1 solution, combining the benefits of a purifier and a humidifier. Air purification technology removes airborne allergens, and humidification technology adds invisible water vapor in the air. Track, monitor, and control air quality anytime, anywhere. And be assured that advanced air technologies are continually working for you. Like the powerful filters, which remove 99.97% of airborne allergens. And the hygienic humidification adds invisible water molecules into the air. The Philips 2-in-1 solution, having the benefits of a purifier and humidifier. Innovation and you. Philips.